Hey folks, it's me again. I'm sitting in my truck. Windows are, well, this one, is wide open. I don't know, it's not much to talk about, so I'll just wing it. There's like no snow in and around my truck, which is fantastic. What else? Yeah, remember I was saying I have a problem with caffeine? Well, I don't know what the hell's going on, but you know, I haven't touched caffeine in like forever. But past 2 nights I've been having trouble sleeping because I've had pain. I mean, discomfort is a very light way of putting it. Pain right where both of my kidneys are, not just on my right side where the caffeine would always affect me. It would be both, right in the back, lower back, both sides. Sometimes the pain would kind of like shoot through to the front a little bit. So I don't know, I gotta look into that. I don't know, maybe it's something else, no idea. What I am gonna do is enjoy lunch in my truck. Some of you may know what these are. Jamaican hamburger patties. They're spicy, you know, really, really good. I usually have them with ketchup, but I don't have any with me. I don't know. I'll show you some pictures of my truck sitting here with no snow in the sunshine, with the seagulls flying around. Better not poop on my truck. What else? Yeah. Can't really think of anything right now. Oh God, what a waste of a video. Truck started up great, and still got the exhaust leak, that little thing. And I don't know. It's I'm guessing the way it is weather-wise next week. I should get a call next week to start up work because I see a lot of the backyards and front yards they're opened up. There's like no snow. There may be a little pile here or there, and that's it. And I think we could work around that. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a call for to start next week. Knock on wood. And there we go. I don't know. Nothing else happening. You know, it's plus 4 degrees. They called for today, and it feels like at least that. It's really, really nice. I'm definitely wearing too much today. That's it. I'm going to show you some pictures of my truck. Wow, this is a real lame video. I'm telling you, it's nothing going on. That's it. Alright, on with some pictures. There's a seagull on my truck. Hello. What are you doing on my truck? Oh, by the way, you know ginger ale. There's Canada Dry, there's Schweppes, and I think one or two others brands. I have a can of Schweppes ginger ale here, but this ginger ale is dark ginger ale. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know. It's got no caffeine, thankfully. It looks like the same exact ingredients as to a regular ginger ale from Schweppes, but I don't get the darkness. I don't understand. I don't. It doesn't really. The taste isn't different from regular ginger ale to dark ginger ale. I don't get it. There's no real difference that I could find. What else? Here. Yes. I want to show you something with these. On my mirrors, each mirror has those parabolic mirrors so you can see blind spots. My driver's mirror has a rectangular one. Perfect. I love it. It fits with the other one. The one on the passenger side has a round one, but it hangs too low. I can't see shit from it. Here, I'll show you. This is my view right here. See? The rectangular one. I like that one. This one, well, it's like over the edge. It's like too low. Okay, that was some excitement. Okay. Okay. It apparently came off. My sun spillage. Ugh. That's why I keep these. Oh, nothing broke. There. Anywho, about my mirror. It hangs too low. So I'm thinking I gotta get one that sits right here. You know, that's higher here. That one, this is from my view right here. It's too low. It's almost worthless. You're worthless and weak. What are you doing there? I don't even know why they put it there. Whoever put it there. Okay, I think that's it. Truck starts up good. And now I have to I'm gonna turn it around because the overhang really sticks out. If I back it in towards the fence, I have 2-3 feet of grass I can park over. So let's see if I can do this with the camera rolling. In gear, I can't see because of the thing. There we go. My truck is kind of wide. Up there. Okay. Okay, folks, that's it. I'm gonna pack it up and finish my lunch. Nom nom nom. Irie, this Jamaican stuff is good. Amazingly, seagulls haven't attacked me for it. Alright. Wasn't much of a video, but there you go. Weather's looking good, and don't you dare. Weather's looking good, and I'm hoping to start work soon. So, see you later. Thanks for watching, if I didn't bore the crap out of you. Cheers.